These are the size potatoes that I'm going to be making fries out of. They're not very big. You can see the size of them. Some of them are kind of smaller. I've taken the ends off, any bad spots, and I'm going to be slicing them in 4, if not 6 pieces. These bigger ones will go 6 pieces. This is what they're going to look like. I'm leaving that on because it's only been a week and a half since we've harvested them, and they're looking fantastic. I'm going to cut them all up, and I've got water boiling. If I was going to be keeping these in the freezer, I'd probably put some citric acid or lemon juice across them, but I'm going to cook these over the next couple of days. We're going to cook these in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes because these are bigger fries. I made more like steak fries because when I eat a sweet potato fry, I want to taste sweet potato. I don't like little shoestring thingies. I like them to have some potato to them. Okay, they've been boiling about 4 minutes. I'm taking them out. I've got the pot turned off. I'm putting them in ice water. We're going to cool them off really quick in the ice water. I dumped some extra ice in there. They're cooling off. You just want to stop the cooking process. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them over here. I have a towel laid out. I'm going to lay them all out. I have another towel. We're going to dry them really, really well. Because French fries, you do not want to put wet French fries in your hot grease. I'm going to dry them out. I'm going to lay them on a cookie sheet. And I'm not going to flash freeze them, but I'm going to put them in the refrigerator covered with one of my towels until I can cook them in a few minutes. Now, I've pretty much dried these. Isn't that awesome? That's enough fries for a couple of days, 2-3 days. And I'm going to be cooking them in the Ultimate Fry Daddy. Yeah, my Lodge cast iron skillet. I keep some lard that Danny and I made in this. I fry my French fries, my sweet potato fries in this. I fry okra in it, whatever. This is my deep fryer. It just fries it better, gives it a better taste. This is the way I fry in my cast iron. A lot of people asked about cast iron. I fry in cast iron in lard when I do fry something. Danny, this is his egg skillet, y'all. We don't touch the egg skillet. It only does eggs and omelets. That's it. This thing with the red handle on it don't get cooked in no other way except eggs. These are after they've fried. I put a little bit of salt on them. They taste delicious. You only want them a little brown. And if you were going to put these in the freezer, like I said, put some lemon juice in them when they're soaking after you cut them up. And make sure that you put them on a towel or something to dry. And then dry them really well before you put them on a cookie sheet. Flash freeze them for about an hour, hour and a half to 2 hours. And then put them in a Ziploc bag with a folded paper towel to absorb any moisture that might be in there and keep the ice crystals down. And you can do sweet potato fries and regular French fries this way and have them in your freezer for future use. I love having my sweet potato fries like this, and these things are delicious as a side. Enjoy. Thank you from Pecan Grove.